Welcome class 10th. Today we will discuss about the design view table in OpenOffice base, Apache OpenOffice base. Firstly, you have to install your OpenOffice with JDK and JRE. Then we will start our video. Now after installing, you have to open OpenOffice base. Then you have to click on database here. Then you have to create a new database. First you have to click here, then next you have to click on the next button. And if you want to open an existing database, then you have to select your second option. Now you have to register your database, then click and go to finish. Here you will be asked a new database name, then save a database name like school, then save it. After saving your database, a database will be registered in your Apache OpenOffice. Then you have a new screen where you will have two ways of creating a table. First, create table in design view. Second, using wizard. You have to create in a design view. Here we have a screen where field name, field type and description are asked. Firstly, in the field name, we will create a table named as student table. So we have a roll number key here as a first field name. Data type must be entered. Here for the roll number, I take a data type as number. For the name as a varchar, class as a number, because class may be 1, 2, 3 up to 12. So here we will take as number. Then the next field name will be marks, and you know very well the marks will also be as a number data type. If you want to give any description, you may give, but here I am not giving. Now you have to mention a primary key. Which will be your primary key? Here roll number will be a primary key because roll number will always be unique for every student. We have to save our table with some name. Click on save button. A dialog box as save as will be here. Give some name to your table just as student. Table name. Okay. After saving your table, close your table editing view and go to your database view where all tables are shown. Okay, now see your table in the database and try to enter the records and tuples in this table. Click on this student table twice and the editing for the data entry will be